What's up, y'all? This your boy Dominoes Seven. Welcome to this Facebook Live. Eventually upload to YouTube one day or whatever. I would like y'all to meet my friend Shannon.
Hi.
Wait, meet Shannon.
Hi, you guys.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
All right, just finished the YouTube Live and stuff like that. Okay. So anyway, would you like to say hey to people?
To who?
To anybody?
I don't know any of those people.
Okay. Well, my auntie Sharon gonna be watching.
Okay, well, hi, Auntie Sharon.
Oh, so somebody on the phone. Oh, this is my auntie Sharon. Hello. Oh yeah, this is me. I'm glad you called. Oh, everything's going good. We doing the show. I'm Facebook Live right now. Oh yeah, but guess what? We just mentioned you. She say hey to you. Okay. Well, you know, I'm so glad you called me by mistake. If it's a mistake. Oh, okay. All right. All right. That was my auntie Sharon on the phone. What's up, little brother? Or my or my friend Bert is watching right now. What up? What up, Bert? If you want to say hey to Mister Bert, you can call him Bert.
Hi, Bert.
All right, he watching. All right. So anyway, my auntie Sharon is watching right now. Would you like to say hey to her?
Hi, Auntie Sharon.
All right. And my family members is gonna be watching this too.
I know.
My cousin Terry too. You want to say hey to her?
Hi, Terry.
Okay. And by the way, look at the decoration right here. Super retro land. Okay. Uh uh uh. Look at this. Everything here. You know. And tell her tell the people about this one.
That's my favorite one.
Your favorite game. Your favorite Mario game, huh? Hey, have you played Mega Man before?
No.
Oh, Mega Man is an awesome game, but that game is hard for me. I do not know how to beat that game ever.
What games did we just play?
California Speed and Super Smash Brothers.
Super Smash Bros.
And guess what? She cheated, folks.
No, I beat you fair and square.
Oh, you really beat me fair square. You covered my eyes again. Hmm.
Covered your eyes?
Yes, you did. Yes, indeed. You a cheater.
You're a sore loser.
Well,
I
excuse.
won fair and square.
Okay. Well, all right. Spice One. You never heard of Spice One, huh? Well, anyway, soon as we get off this live, well, I'm gonna do one more YouTube live. Okay. All right. So, oh, my auntie probably watching too. All right.
Auntie?
Man, well, my friend Bert's still watching. Oh no, bro, no. He asked me, Is you my girlfriend?" No, she's in a relationship. She about to be engaged.
No, I'm not.
Well, actually, she already taken, and she too young for me. And when tell whoever watching, Bert not the only one watching though. Tell them how old are you?
How old I am?
Yeah.
I'm 19.
Yeah, I'm. Come on, Bert. I'm 33, man. Hmm.
Tell Bert, don't throw you in the water like that.
Oh no. Well, anyway, whoever else is watching, I'll let you know who my girlfriend is. You know.
In the future. Not
Oh
right
yeah,
now.
not right
Tell
now.
him right now.
Nah, but I don't have a girlfriend yet.
No, not yet.
But on the serious side though, well he lost his mom too. His mom and my mom were best friends. Yep. And that was my mom's only friend, Miss Cynthia Harris. I didn't know she passed away. 2014, I do believe. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. I mean, and plus, a long time ago, they lost their cousin Tyree, and I really liked her. Tyree was sweet, you know.
I'm sorry to hear.
Yeah, because I really liked the Tyree. Hmm. Yeah, she was a sweetheart. Whatever happened to her, she didn't deserve it.
Right.
But I'm not gonna say it on my live though. You know. Well, anyway, I'm not gonna say what he said on my live right now.
What
Well,
did he say?
uh, you're a baby.
I am a baby.
Okay, all right. Well, anyway, long as you don't find offense to that though.
I don't.
All right. Well, I'm not supposed to say this to you, where you are a sweet baby.
Thank you.
I'm only supposed to say that to Nyla or whoever I be with.
Right.
You know. Oh well. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. So anyway, my auntie Sharon should be watching soon. My auntie Dinah watch my videos too.
Okay.
I don't know how she watch it though. You want if my auntie Dinah watching right now, would you say hey to her?
Hey, Auntie Dinah.
Okay. Yeah, she the greatest auntie ever.
She.
I mean, she helped my mama. She been there for my mama since day one. Even before my mama got sick, she was there from my childhood, and my mom was close, just like that, very close. You know. Mm-hmm. And my auntie Sharon, oh, she was devastated when she heard about my mama. She loved her sister so much. She was always worried about my mom. Mm-hmm. When she came back from the hospital, she ain't like say my mama sick. My mama told her not to cry. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. So yeah, I miss my mom though. So all right, I'm about to switch back to the YouTube live here. So anyway, you want to wave at the folks?
Bye, guys.
Mm-hmm. And she have a pretty smile. Hmm. Ain't nothing wrong with your teeth. It's beautiful.
Still need braces.
Oh well. All right. Okay. Well, let me tell y'all something. Before I stop this, huh? No, she not my girlfriend. I wish she would have been. I shouldn't have said that. That's all right, huh?
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh well, never mind. All right. Bye bye, y'all.